Today it's Monday, March the 16th, 2020, and we are on the final, one of the final tests for this unit, where we are running low voltage. The input voltage is not even 3 volts coming in. We're getting the 480, or actually a fraction of the 480 from a wall, going through a variac, going through a step-down transformer, and right now we're measuring 3.2 volts. That goes into our input, and the AC output comes in and it's all shorted across here on the load. We have the AC input coming in full on, and right now, what is the maximum current that we have?
290.
290 volts. Sorry, 290 amps.
290 amps.
And we are recording temperatures. The fan already kicked in, and we are constantly monitoring our enable. These are latching circuits. The enable status and the phase loss, and everything's clear. And what we have here, we are continuously, we're not triggering like in the previous high voltage test. We are looking at the output voltage, and we have the two signals, enable status and phase loss, and basically the unit it's running fine. This is the end of this video.